Hey everybody, welcome to the Flat Thunder channel. My name is Andy. Today we're going to remove this front entranceway, this concrete pad. The steps and this top concrete pad are sinking into the ground and leaning at an angle that is damaging the foundation beneath it, and also pushing and encouraging water to go back into the house. So that's no good. We're gonna remove it and ultimately in the future replace it with a larger wood deck. You can see here the moisture just rolls off of this concrete surface and is running back into the house. Probably was never flashed in properly and whenever this house was originally built. So we have some repair behind that we're gonna have to do as well. Step one, you have to remove this railing. Get the super sawzall out. Yeah, the main goal here is we're going to lift this big pad off without making the block foundation beneath cave in to the hole. I don't know what's going to be under there. The rear of the house had the same setup and it had a old piece of living room carpet in it, so hopefully there's nothing in there. We'll have to see when we get it off. First we're going to take these steps that are sinking, we're going to lift those out of the way. Here's the plan. Have a whole bunch of these wedge anchor bolts. Got my hammer drill. We're gonna drill and mount some pieces of chain to that and try to lift it out of there without breaking it. This is a DeWalt rotary hammer drill. Had really good luck with it. SRS bits. Don't forget to lubricate your bits. But the trick with any hammer drill is when you're drilling the hole, don't push excessively. Let the tool action of the in and out bring the bit up and down. If you push too hard, you'll wear out your drill, which is expensive. So the trick with these wedge lock anchors is you want to install the washer and a nut and set it to the height that you want the stud to stick out from the base of the floor, or in this case this concrete pad. So in this case basically I want it to be in as far as possible but give me enough room to clamp a chain link. So if you just wanted to clamp the washer, that would give you enough space there, but we need to go down the thickness of the chain link. So that should give us enough room once we pound this into this concrete. Looks like it actually is long enough to go through the entire slab. Also, if you're doing this on something that you care about, you should vacuum out the holes. Here I really don't care. So since these went all the way through, I'm gonna have to hold on to them or they're gonna fall down into the bottom of the hole. Probably should put a bigger washer on those. Let's see what happens. And this one we buggered the thread because we got a little bit too aggressive beating it in there. So I'm gonna have to file the top of that. That being said, you should thread a nut just on the top edge and use that to pound them in. So I'll go get a file. We'll be back in business. It's turned into one of those way harder than it needs to be type of things. Ah. It took like 10,000 times longer than it should have. This is how I should have done the other ones. Thread on a nut so you don't damage the top. Alright, let's see what you do. Well, that was fairly uneventful. I was kind of hoping it would pick all that at once. Looks like we're gonna have to drill some more holes. Concrete's no good. I'm just gonna go get the material handling bucket and drag this in it. Well, like most things, this lower step doesn't want to come out of there. We got the top portion off, which is just a piece that was laid on top of it, but this lower level, the concrete's really soft and just falling apart, so I don't think we can pick it. I tried to scrape it out of there with a bucket, but I can't get a good angle on it. Now we're gonna have to try to spud bar it away from the lower foundation without pushing it in. That was way deeper than I thought it would be, and it worked. All right. I just wanted to take time to warn you about the dangers of leaving the chain attached to these concrete pieces as I was manipulating them with the skid loader. Having the chains whip around and stay connected to the pieces was not a very good idea. I don't recommend that you do it, and it's best to remove them and not have them attached to the pieces. That was a bad idea on my part, so don't do as I do as I say. I think that's where we're gonna cut this video a little short. I have a more detailed explanation on the repair of the water damage and the plan that we're going to proceed with to build a new front porch. Tune in next time and I'll show you the direction we're headed. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, leave your questions and comments in the section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, everybody.